Have you ever wondered how machines make decisions? How Netflix recommends movies? How banks detect fraud? Or how doctors predict diseases? Behind many of these systems is one of the most powerful and fundamental algorithms in machine learning, logistic regression. Welcome to this course. We are about to start an exciting journey into the world of data and algorithms. In this course, we are going to build a strong, clear, and practical foundation in machine learning, starting from the basics and moving step by step. This is not just theory. You will understand concepts deeply and then apply them using Python on real-world problems. By the end of this course, you will not only know how logistic regression works, you will know why it works. So if you're ready to truly understand machine learning, let's get started. Lecture 2, what is machine learning? So what exactly is machine learning? In simple terms, machine learning is the ability of machines to learn from data and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Instead of writing rules manually, we provide data, and the machine learns patterns from it. For example, imagine you want to detect spam emails. Instead of writing hundreds of rules, you give the system examples of spam and non-spam emails, and it learns the patterns automatically. That's machine learning. It's the engine that powers the modern digital world we live in today. At its core, machine learning is about three things: data, patterns, and predictions. We use historical data to learn patterns and then use those patterns to make predictions on new data. In this course, we will focus on one of the most important types of machine learning: classification. And logistic regression is one of the simplest yet most powerful algorithms used for this purpose. Lecture 3, types of machine learning. Machine learning is generally divided into three main types. The first is supervised learning. In supervised learning, we train the model using labeled data, meaning we already know the correct answers. For example, predicting whether an email is spam or not. The second type is unsupervised learning. Here, the data is unlabeled and the goal is to find hidden patterns or groupings in the data. For example, customer segmentation. The third type is reinforcement learning. In this type, the model learns by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. For example, training a robot or a game-playing AI. In this course, we will focus on supervised learning, specifically classification problems. And logistic regression is one of the most widely used algorithms in this category. Lecture 4, Introduction to Classification Problems. Let's now understand classification. Classification is a type of problem where the goal is to assign a label to an input. For example, is this email spam or not spam? Will a customer buy a product or not? Does a patient have a disease or not? These are all classification problems. The output is not a continuous number, it is a category. Most commonly, classification problems are binary, meaning two classes, yes or no, 0 or 1, true or false. And this is exactly where logistic regression comes in. It helps us predict probabilities and then convert those probabilities into class labels. In the next lectures, we will see why we cannot directly use linear regression for these types of problems. Lecture 5, Real-World Applications of Classification. Now let's connect everything to the real world. Classification is everywhere. In finance, it is used for fraud detection, identifying whether a transaction is legitimate or fraudulent. In healthcare, it helps in disease prediction. In marketing, it is used to predict customer behavior, whether a user will click, buy, or subscribe. In social media, it powers content moderation, detecting spam, fake accounts, or harmful content. Even recommendation systems use classification as part of their pipeline. And at the heart of many of these systems is logistic regression. It is simple, efficient, and surprisingly powerful. That's why it is often the first algorithm every data scientist learns, and still widely used in real-world systems.